In this video, we'll show you how to replace your Samsung refrigerator's water filter. Here's the filter that we're going to be using. It is an HDX FMS2 filter. You can find these on Amazon or at most stores. First step in replacing the filter is to remove the old one. We're going to open up our fridge here, and it's located right in the middle of all of the drawers. You want to simply rotate it counterclockwise until you're able to pull it freely from the refrigerator. Now, grabbing our new filter, we're going to pull off the top cap, and then on the bottom, that one piece that we had on the old one, we're going to just attach it right there. We're going to insert it into the same slot and then rotate it clockwise until you hear water begin to flow. That means it's connected. Going to close our doors, and then to reset the filter, you want to push and hold the alarm button for 3 seconds. You're going to hear a little chime, and it will reset, and that little filter icon will disappear. With the new filter installed, you'll want to run about a gallon of water through it before drinking the water. This is going to allow any of the air bubbles to be pushed out of the system, as well as any particles that are in the filter that are still there from the manufacturing plant. You'll want to take that gallon of water and discard it. You can either dump it down the drain or water some plants. I would not recommend drinking it, but after this has been done, your filter is flushed out and it's ready for a glass of water. And that is how you change a Samsung refrigerator water filter. Thanks for watching.